Hello everybody, just a really quick one today. Mk5 Ford Mondeo, how to replace your windscreen wiper blades. It may sound a little bit silly, but there are a lot of people who actually would not know how to change these. Luckily, it's a simple job. The first thing is to just lift your wiper arm up. And on these Mk5 Mondeos, you can twist the wiper motor to wherever you like. To remove these blades is really quite simple. There's two little tabs, you just push them in together and then push the blade forward and it will release straight out of the arm. And then the very end of the blade will just hook off the wiper arm. Simple. You'd probably be best to lower the wiper arm down onto the screen gently, because if it was to get knocked and that was to spring back onto the screen, there's a high chance it would break that windscreen. These blades are like £38 from Ford plus the VAT, but I'm sure you can get them considerably cheaper from motor factors. Anyhow, let's get these puppies out of the box. What might not be totally obvious here is that these blades are actually handed. And if you look just here, there's a little triangle cutout, and it will only fit on one of the wiper arms. Right, so to fit your new blade, you just put the little peg through the hole. So hold your wiper arm stationary, put the peg through the wiper arm, and then just tilt it towards the arm. And the two little lugs will clip in, and once you hear them snap into place, that's it done. And then just lower the arm carefully back onto the windscreen. You'll probably also notice that the widest edge of the blade is facing down towards the bonnet. Right then, that's it. Hope you found this useful. Oh, just one last thing to do. See ya.